My name is Michael Gibson. We're here at Mesa Gateway Airport at Factory Direct Models.
AOPA keeps flying safe, accessible, and fun by protecting your freedom to fly. We are the most trusted one-stop resource for all things related to general aviation. Become an AOPA pilot today. Thanks to SiriusXM Aviation for sponsoring this video. Click below to learn how their satellite-delivered weather info can help you in flight.
What we do is we take a real airplane, a big one, and we shrink it down to a desktop model. It's a 26-step process. Basically what you would do is place an order with us. We simply send you what we call a build sheet where you'd attach your photographs. You can customize your display base as well, any way you'd like, and you submit that back to us. If we have any questions, we'll ask you. If not, we go right into the build. Build time's about 10 weeks, it's all hand done. Everything's going on behind the scenes, but as a customer, what happens is 10 weeks later, you're gonna get a photograph of your airplane in a desktop size to approve. We're gonna send you a photograph to make sure we didn't miss anything, you didn't miss anything, make sure it's absolutely perfect, because we all know pilots can be finicky. So we want it to be just perfect. Once you approve the model, then we go ahead and we ship it out to you. About 125 employees. Without a doubt, they're artisans. I mean, what they do is truly amazing. I mean, we are not like other companies that work in the Philippines in this industry. You know, we pay medical, we pay Social Security, we pay PhilHealth, and they have this wonderful thing in the Philippines called 13th month pay, which means you have to give every employee in December a full month's pay. We've always done it since the beginning because, you know, if you treat people right, they're gonna treat you right at the end of the day, and you can only be as good as the people you surround yourself with, and you can only be as good as the people that you trust. And, you know, if you treat them right, they're gonna do you right. And that's just always been my philosophy, that the model has to be perfect before it goes. You can't just fake it with a pilot. If somebody said to me, hey, I got a model and it's not right, I'm gonna make it right for them. No questions asked. I mean, that's the only way you can stay in business for 32 years. If you name a celebrity and they fly an airplane, we probably built it for them.
John Travolta.
Absolutely. Great guy.
Harrison Ford.
Yes.
Tyler Perry.
Yes. Just recently too. Years ago, I got a phone call and they said, we need an airplane for our office. And I said, okay, build you a great desktop model. I said, nope, it's gotta be bigger than that. And I said, okay, how big? And they're like, big. And I said, okay, how big is the person's ego that you're buying this airplane for? And they said his ego is huge. I said, well, then you can't go any less than 5 or 6 feet. And so they ordered a 5-foot model. And when I got the specs for the model, it was for Donald Trump. And this was probably back in 2010, 2012. I've built the USS Enterprise, I've done them all. They cost a little more, but we do them. We build models that don't exist. We build models, dream planes, you know. People want, inspirational pieces. You know, there's nothing better for a pilot than to put a model on his study desk to give him that inspiration to get that job at American Airlines or to get that job flying, you know, a business, a Gulfstream somewhere. You know, the inspiration they provide are incredible too.